David, looks like tomorrow might be another day to spend inside.
Yeah, like my cats, they keep running after each other in these days, you know what I mean? So that's adorable. I love seeing stories like that. That's why I'm always smiling before I get on with the weather. Anyway, yeah, we'll be dealing with more showers tomorrow, overnight tonight as well. So we're continuing to stay in this pattern. And, you know, I was just looking at some long-range models because that's what everybody's asking. You know, what's going on? Where is the warm weather? What we had it a couple of weeks ago, but we're really not seeing much right now. And even on the long-range models, we're not expected to see anything. But there I am right there. I'm just going to step out real quick and get this going anyway. So temperatures right now in the 40s across much of the area, lower 40s, Portland 43 degrees, Bangor at 42, 39 in Caribou, Rangeley at 36, and temperatures are pretty cool out there. And we are seeing a little bit of wind. It's off the ocean, so that's why we're seeing cooler temperatures. We get that cool water, and the temperatures in the water right now about 42, 43 degrees, and even 45 degrees off of the coast of Portland. But right now that wind is coming off the ocean, making things a lot cooler. As if it was coming from the west, we would have been seeing a land breeze and could warm things up. But right now, we're kind of stuck in that pattern. We have a trough of low pressure over New England. That's providing us with some unsettled weather, and we're going to continue to see that over the next 24 to 36 hours. Right now, we have some showers moving up along the New Hampshire and Maine border, and they're continuing to come up through Massachusetts and moving up towards the north. We do have a little bit of snow across the presidential range. Mount Washington's reporting 23 degrees with some snow. In Portland, a little bit of patchy fog, some drizzle. Even up towards Augusta, we had a couple of showers moving through. Rockland as well. As we move down east, Calais, a couple of showers on your doorstep. Just had a few through Machias. Millinocket dealing with some showers, and towards the north. There may even be some snow mixed in by Katahdin, so something pretty, you know, we're not out of it quite yet. And then overnight tonight, we'll watch those showers. They'll continue to move towards the north and maybe even getting a little bit more widespread in nature by tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning looks like a wet start, no doubt about it. But as we go through the day, we'll start to see some of these showers breaking up. You may see some sunshine down towards the south coast. But for the most part, we're going to be mostly in the clouds. It's going to be another day similar to today, but I think we might see a little bit less in the way of showers. Calais, you might push 51 degrees in the afternoon, even up to Caribou. But most of us are going to be mostly in the mid to upper 40s. So another damp and cool day. Then tomorrow night at this time, still dealing with some showers, some patchy fog developing, even again, maybe some snow across some of the higher elevations, especially the presidential range. And then by Wednesday morning, cool start, not as much moisture in the air. We're going to start to see that trough loosening its grip. But during the afternoon, we could see a couple of more showers developing as the atmosphere starts to heat up. We have a little bit more in the way of showers bubbling up as we go through the course of the afternoon. Temperatures tomorrow, mostly in the 40s. Again, we have that onshore flow, keeping things cooler. Berlin, about 48 degrees. Rangeley in the mid-40s. Calais, you're a little bit away from the coastline. You're seeing that wind a little bit more out of the northeast over the land. You'll see temperatures in the lower 50s as well as in Caribou, kind of opposite. Even down towards the south coast, still seeing temperatures in the 50s. And then by Wednesday, temperatures warming up just a little bit in the lower 50s. Freiburg, you'll be pushing the mid to upper 50s, as well as Berlin. Calais, about 54. Caribou, 52. But again, that wind will still be meandering off the coastline. So with the immediate shoreline, seeing temperatures from Bar Harbor to Rockland in the upper 40s, even Portland as well. Tomorrow, the marine forecast, we have seas 4 to 5 feet. And look at that water temperature. That's why we're seeing these cool temperatures along the coastline right now. And we have a small craft advisory that goes through Tuesday evening, 6 o'clock. So something to be aware of. We have gusts up to 20 miles per hour out of the southeast. So as we head towards the end of the week, we'll be dealing with showers Wednesday. A few pop-up showers remaining on Thursday. Temperatures start to push closer to 60. So Friday's looking pretty decent. Right into the weekend, I think we're going to remain dry. So another salvageable weekend in between another system as we deal on Monday. Of course, we'll have another case of the Mondays, but more rain to start the month of May, right? So we're hoping to get some warmer temperatures, but this is what we have to deal with for now.
We'll get there.
We will get there, absolutely.
Thanks,
Think
David.
positively.